Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Honda Odyssey EX. That engine is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close that up and take you for a tour. See, it does have alloy wheels, and this vehicle does seat 8. There's a sneak peek of the interior right there. You have the second row captain's chairs, and then that seat in between them. You actually have a window shade right here that you can pull up. See, it has a lot of stowage right here. And these are gray fabric seats. Drop down LCD screen right there. This of course does flop down so that someone can hop in. As I mentioned, there's that drop down LCD screen. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. I will upload some still photos as well. I know we go through this fairly quickly. Just go ahead and close up that back window so that you can hear me a little bit better. And as you look down here, you'll see that it has 88,738 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your stereo controls.
Convenience stores at select Chevron.
That sounds good, so we'll go ahead and turn it down. And then you've got your push to talk right here. And then you're going to have your cruise control, push button start. There's your shifter and your stereo. Your audio sources are AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary. And as you would plug that in, then that would light up and you'd be able to utilize that. Okay, and then as you come up there, there's your additional panel. Coming down here, you got your USB 12 volt outlet. Right here is the auxiliary port that I just referred to. And then you've got cup holders and other stowage right here. You can never have too many compartments in a minivan. Okay, and then right here you see that you've got your key fob and additional cup holders, and then additional compartments. Then you got your glove compartment over there, and your comfort controls. Okay. And apparently once this is on, then you can operate the reverse. I thought that you could just do the reverse independently. And so you come up here and you have your map reading lights, and you have your sunglasses holder that doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the folks there in back. And then we go ahead and put it in reverse. And there's your backup camera and your backup guides and your sensor as well. Okay. All right. And that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This does have power doors on both sides, which you see operating right there. Okay. And this vehicle does have a branded title. It had some water damage. Obviously no airbags deployed, no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.